PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
You've clicked onto the Weather Xtreme video from ABC 3340. This is for Wednesday, the 11th day of July. Same story today. Very, very moist air mass in place. That blanket of moist air helping to aid in the formation of showers and storms. Some rain that is very welcome around here. Let's go to some Skycam shots early this morning. And yep, downtown Jasper, that is wet down there. Rain has been falling for the past hour or so. Now remember, this is as of 5 o'clock this morning. You don't see a lot of rain that often at this hour of the day in the summer, but we've sure got it right now. Down in Chilton County, low clouds hanging over the city there. No rain at this point. Pretty much the same story in Birmingham. Low overcast with rain really not that far away. Here's our big water vapor satellite imagery this morning. And overlaid on that is the 500 millibar chart. That's weather about 18 to 20,000 feet off the ground. Shortwave trough just west of the state. You can see those thunderstorms blowing up over Mississippi, northwest Alabama, parts of southern Tennessee. And boy, is that air juicy. This is the precipitable water. And the darker green, those are PW values over 2 inches. We've got that over northwest and southwest Alabama. And, of course, the rest of the state very moist as well. And there's the radar at 5:06 this morning. Nice rains falling all the way from Dora, Summerton, and Jasper, north, right on top of Smith Lake, up to Cullman, Decatur, into southern Tennessee. And notice that the rain extends well back into Mississippi. And some thunderstorms involved, the northwest of Birmingham there, and also south of Aniana in Blount County. So how about that? And once again, we'll highlight showers and storms today. No organized severe weather is expected. The risk areas today are up north and out west, but remember, this is wet microburst season. And the same environmental conditions are out there today that we had yesterday. And, of course, those are very hard to warn for. Very small, localized areas of strong winds that can knock down trees and power lines. QPF map for the next 5 days. Mercy me. That's bullseye about 4 inches around Muscle Shoals. Amounts of 3 to 4 inches elsewhere for North Alabama. And quite frankly, parts of northwest Alabama have seen 4 inches in the last 24 hours. Up around Franklin and Colbert and Lauderdale counties up there. Really good, beneficial rain. Quick peek at the tropics. We won't spend a lot of time there because there's just nothing out there. Just seems like a large pool of dry air covers much of the Atlantic basin. Kind of reminiscent of last year, that big Sahara dust layer. And we'll see how that affects the core of the season in August, September. You know, it could be this year that most of the action will be homegrown. They develop in the Gulf or the Caribbean, because the Atlantic out there is so dry. But we'll see. This is the model output. This is the OZGFS, Global Forecast System, valid at 1 o'clock today. And this is at 500 millibars. Look at the vortex over eastern Canada. And the trough extends on down to the south. Pretty high amplitude for this time of the year. The surface front with that is running from near Buffalo down to Memphis at mid-afternoon. And the air behind that is drier, but we are still in the moist air. So again, that should mean scattered to numerous showers and storms today. And tomorrow, the model continues the trend of drying things out, pretty much statewide. And we'll roll with it. We'll just say partly to mostly sunny. Now, we'll probably get burned. You know, there might be a rogue shower somewhere, but the models are strongly suggesting no. But if that is the case, the air should be a little drier, heats up more effectively, highs up in the low 90s, but the humidity should be a little lower. Friday, very deep trough there over eastern Canada, the eastern U.S., heat ridge out west, and another front comes down the pike. This one down to near the Kentucky-Tennessee line. The moisture creeps back in here, so Friday will go back to scattered showers and storms. And there's a look at Saturday starting off the weekend. That second front stalls out on this run near Birmingham. So if you take this on face value, the better opportunity for showers and storms Saturday could be from Birmingham on south with dry air over the Tennessee Valley. But again, I just don't like cutting it that close. We'll just leave scattered showers and storms in the forecast area wide. Sunday, the flow begins to de-amplify. Still a weakness off to the west, little vortmax over Nashville. And again, we've got moist air. Now, why Alabama is dry and all of the adjacent states are not, I don't know. I think we'll just maintain the chance of scattered showers and storms Sunday, and the same thing early next week. We stay pretty moist, even though this is suggesting the most numerous showers and storms will be a bit west of here. And Tuesday of next week looks very typical for summer. Partly sunny with a few spots getting a passing storm. We'll go out there into voodoo country 4 days later. This is valid the 21st of July. Don't like to see that 594 circle from Memphis over to Chesapeake Bay. That would suggest pretty hot weather there and not much rain, but you go out 5 days, and that really seems to be the idea for the rest of the month. That's the theme, the heat bubble out west in kind of a mean trough over the east, and that looks pretty soupy right there with scattered to numerous showers and storms around here. That's it for the Morning Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video posted by 3:30 this afternoon. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.